When it's time to play FPS games, you can switch it to the left or right of the keyboard to give your mousing hand more room to maneuver. Or if you prefer a smaller 80% TKO keyboard, you can remove the numpad completely. The numpad has 4 fully customizable keys to perfect your setup. The ROG RX Blue switches provide 65% less key wobble and 50% more consistent keystrokes when compared to traditional mechanical blue switches. It can also be specified with Claymore II can be used in wired mode with the bundle USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Alternatively, you can use the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle to connect to your PC. ROG R&D engineers combined an energy-efficient design with a 4,000 mAh battery. In addition, just 30 minutes of fast charging lets you play for up to 18 hours. At just 89 grams, it's 30% lighter than the previous generation. It's also got an upgraded 19,000 dpi sensor. Special ROG side markings feature embedded RGBs for a spectacular look. Both 3-pin mechanical and 5-pin Omron optical micro switches to suit your preferences. There's also a wired version for gamers' preference.
ROG has provided a complete range of monitors for gamers with different needs. The 32-inch 4K 144Hz monitor features an IPS panel and 1 millisecond moving picture response time. It is NVIDIA G-Sync compatible and features exclusive variable overdrive to reduce ghosting. In addition, it has Eon B-Sync technology to eliminate motion blur and meets Display HDR 600 criteria to provide exceptional gaming visuals. Taking a look at the rear of the monitor, we have one DisplayPort 1.4 with display string compression and 2 HDMI 2.1. Aside from that, we're pleased to announce our upcoming range of 28-inch and 43-inch HDMI 2.1 gaming monitors.
ROG Laptops was the first brand to bring liquid metal cooling into mass production. We have developed a patented process to apply exotic thermal compounds with flawless mechanical precision. Thanks to further refinements, we are able to bring liquid metal cooling to all our 2021 ROG laptop line. Our latest laptop also features a new fan design with a spatial wave around the outer edge. Our updated self-cleaning system further cleans up airflow by using a shorter anti-dust tunnel to create more space around the fan for smoother airflow.
Okay, the ROG Flow X13 is this ultra portable 13-inch convertible design where you can have stand mode, tent mode, tablet mode, and laptop mode, giving you tons of flexibility and control as to how you want to use this device. Not only is it tiny and really lightweight, but it also has tons of power. We're looking at a Ryzen 9 5900HS or even the Supernova Edition Ryzen 9 5980HS processor inside this. And on top of that, you can get the XG Mobile to boost the performance of the device with up to an RTX 3080. Now, when you plug this in, it's basically a portable external GPU that also works as a power adapter to the laptop and an I/O port dock at the same time. So when you plug this in, you're effectively turning this super lightweight portable device into a desktop that is as flexible and as portable as you could ever hope for.
It is the smallest external GPU ever, at just 6% the size of typical external graphic dock, and weighs only 1 kilogram. Thanks to the proprietary PCI Express 3.0x8 interface that connects directly to the CPU with much higher bandwidth than Thunderbolts, the XG Mobile offers better gaming performance than any other external GPU alternatives. Integrated I/O hub that can drive multiple displays and peripherals.
Okay, the ROG Zephyrus G14, it's the most awarded gaming laptop of 2020. That is a huge accomplishment, and I think One of the things that everybody likes the most about this device is the Anime Matrix display. This LED panel on the back of the display of the laptop gives you all this cool features, all different kinds of animations you can program into it, tons of different ones you can just download. You can find your own favorite GIF or image and upload that to the Anime Matrix display. But as you can see, there is now this virtual pet. It's a new feature where we have this cool little virtual assistant that's going to tell you things about your current battery status. You can see the animation there. I guess he was charging, he's plugging in. Also give you notifications about system usage. So it's a neat little optional assistant you can put into your applications and just have it open on the corner of your screen. Or if you want to incorporate that in your Anime Matrix LED, you can do that as well. Really cool. Really excited to see how this works out. Oh, he's even spray painting the ROG logo. So cool.
A beautiful laptop to behold. The G15 has a total of 8,279 CNC perforated matrix holes. To demonstrate our precision to detail, we have added shimmery nano imprint lithography film underneath this matrix to refer the unwavering energy of lights. We have integrated a 3D microphone array with different configurations optimized for capturing different kinds of audio, even in the multi-directional conferences room. There is also a 6-speaker setup with voice-canceling woofer that delivers crispy, clear sounds that I'm sure you will love. The taller 16:10 display ratio provides more room to work and play, and you can choose between two configs tailored for creators with 4K UHD or 120Hz Full HD for gamers. The Flow also gets over 10 hours of battery life, and it's powered by an ultra-compact Type-C charger that makes the whole system.
The ROG Strix Scar 17, a laptop that is truly built for esports. Now this comes with up to a Ryzen 9 5900HX, up to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080, and the display is either a WQHD 165Hz or a Full HD 360Hz display. Yeah, 360. I mean, we're talking full esports performance here. There's some other neat stuff like 64 gigs of RAM. Yeah, that's we can go all out. And of course, USB Type-C charging is present here on this device, but we also have the optical and mechanical switches built in for that lightning fast response time for every single keystroke when you're playing at the highest level. And we have the customizable armor caps for a little bit of additional flair on the side. You can change the colors here, the different styles. This is the spangle silver. There's also a translucent black, it seems. Really cool stuff, a lot of flair, a lot of customization available, packed into this powerhouse of a machine.
They are also featured with a two-way AI noise cancellation design that makes sure your voice comes across clearly through the background noises of everyday life. We continue to push the industry forward with new displays. In 2021, we are raising the bar again with the world's first 360Hz panel with an ultra-fast 3-millisecond response time. Thanks to the new optical mechanical keyboards that triggers in just 0.2 milliseconds. Its customizable ammo cap slides off and can be swapped with two additional designs that comes in the box. We use advanced manufacturing techniques compounded with fiberglass material to create a translucent accent that offers glimpse under the hood. We reduced the footprint of these new machines by 7% compared to the last.
I'm a huge fan of the Zephyrus Duo. This is the refresh on the Zephyrus Duo with up to a RTX 3080. I mean, if you've never seen one of these bad boys, it has the ScreenPad Plus, which is a secondary display below the main display that is a full touchscreen. And with this design, it enables for this phenomenal cooling to happen, as you can see in this demonstration. Behind it, additional airflow to help keep that device cool. You've got this gorgeous keyboard where the trackpad is also a numpad. There is no wasted space. I mean, this is just compact, dual screen glory. Actually, okay, here we gotta reset it because it looks so cool in that mode, but you can't really see exactly what the device looks like. But yeah, I love this digital experience where we can just dive in and see what it's all about. And of course, these guys are gonna have Ryzen 9 5900s. I mean, this is the ideal device for a content creator, whether you're a streamer, a musician, or maybe a video editor. It's really ideal for that. But also if you're just a gamer and you want to play and use this secondary display for, you know, managing your builds when you're playing a MOBA or whatever, it's got so many cool applications. Then I'm a big fan of.
The new model keeps the innovative AAS Plus cooling system that raises the second display to allow more airflow into the chassis. But it's all new under the hood. Our cooling enhancements takes the performance of Zephyrus Duo to a new height. A selection between 120 Hz 4K with Adobe 100% RGB offers stunning visual of cinematic gaming experience. Or the 300 Hz Full HD with 3 millisecond response time for competitive esports gaming.
Yes. Okay, so right away says concept gaming case. ROG Ryzen 2. I love that display for just seeing the, you know, the current temperature. Yeah, that's really cool.